sa ating Tagalog Reading Channel. Ako ay si Abby at isa akong intuitive reader. So, gagawin natin ang inyong monthly Tagalog reading sa buwan ng April 2024 Collective Virgo. Ang timestamp ng reading na to ginawa natin as of April 20, 2024 sa ganap na 3:38 p.m. Alright? Current energy check-in as of April 20, 2024 sa ganap na 3:38 p.m. Okay? Remember, Virgo, na ito ay isang collective reading. So, maaaring mag-resonate to sa certain collective na channel natin tong energy na to as of this time. And if it doesn't resonate with you, it only means na ang reading na to for this month ay hindi para sa inyo. So, you might want to check onto your next month reading then. Okay? So, sa mga new viewers po natin, welcome po sa ating Tagalog Reading Channel. Sa mga current subscribers, maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta ng inyong mga monthly Tagalog readings. Alright? And just to be clear, collective reading to, it's not personal reading. Alright? So, i-shuffle lang muna natin yung mga cards again in front of the camera. Collective Virgo, and I'll see you guys later on in a few seconds. Okay? Hi again, Virgo. So, simulan na natin ang inyong general life reading, current energy check-in, maaring mag-resonate on to the next 3 to 6 months. Alright. So, kukuha tayo ng 7 baraha sa oracle card na to, ni Kyle Gray, Keepers of the Light Oracle card. So, yung deck na to is mostly mga spiritual beings, ascended masters, and mga spiritual guides, no? Na channel ng energy ninyo. Ano yung kailangan nilang sabihin sa inyo as of this time, alright? So, 7 baraha para sa ating collective Virgo. Are you ready? Okay? So, position 1 Virgo, meron kang si Lady Portia, Divine Order. Second time na to nag-appear so far for this month's reading. Okay? Second card, nandyan si Green Tara. So, first time nag-appear to sa inyo, Virgo. Since element of, Earth, so green. So, Green Tara, very, in alignment sa Virgo to. Supreme protection. Parang si Gaia, no? Or Mother Earth yung peg niya. Okay? Then, let's see what they has to say later on. Position 3, Virgo, nandyan si Lady Venus. So, I think planetary, Venusian energy, downloads and understanding. Okay? Use lang natin to muna to give space sa ating mga cards. Okay, at position 4, nandyan si Sanat Kumara. Lagi itong nag-a-appear most of the time sa ibang mga readings as well. So, light activation. Feels like parang judging sa name niya, parang Indian siya, no? An Indian god or deity or guide. Okay, at 5th position, nandiyan, of course, Archangel Michael. So, trusting heaven, Virgo. At position 6, nandiyan si Lord Shiva, no, sa Indian, belief system, Hinduism, no, transcendence. At the center, Virgo, nandiyan si Melchizedek. So, first time nag-appear sa inyo to, Virgo. Melchizedek is Archangel, diba? If I'm not mistaken, no, parang, nabasa ko na to before yeah. Higher learning. So, parang hermit card to, no? Sa traditional tarot. Okay? Umpisahan natin sa position number 1 mo. Virgo, nandito si Lady Portia. So, ang sabi ni Lady Portia, no? Divine order. Yung kailangan mong i-release. These are things na kailangan i-let go or kailangan mong pakawalan for the benefit of yourself na matagal mo nang hino-hold back. Itong position 1 mo. Sinabi dito, do what you feel is right daw, Virgo. An important lesson is unfolding. So, pag lumabas siya sa position 1 mo, I feel strongly, no? Ito yung nakukuha ko dito, intuitively. There are things na hold back ka emotionally, no? Medyo emotionally suppressed din tayo. Hindi natin ma-express masyado yung feelings natin. So, it's about time daw na to parang embrace mo kung ano yung feeling mo at the moment, okay? kailangan mo i-acknowledge yan. If it's pain, acknowledge it. If it's moving on, embrace it. Okay? That's one example. Kasi may lesson na paparating para dito. Okay, if it's going to end, it's going to start anew. Whatever it is na feeling na hino-hold back mo, na kailangan na natin to i-let go or pakawalan for ourselves then, to embrace it or to let it go. No, either way yan, may lesson ka na dapat matutunan dyan or binibigay para sa'yo. Yung lesson na to, hindi fully makapasok sa'yo kasi may roadblock tayo, no? Sa pagdating sa ating mga nararamdaman, and it has to happen. Nandiyan si divine order. It need to happen. Okay? There's something na parang the more you parang close off, no? Yung sarili natin, yung nararamdaman natin, mga iniisip natin sa ibang tao or sa situation. Okay? The more na pinipress ka, pinipressure, kumbaga na gumawa na ng action in it to acknowledge or realize something, no? To make decisions out of your emotion, not hindi lang sa kung anong logical or practical. Okay? Now, what you feel is right daw. Okay, yun ang kailangan mong gawin. Kasi para magkaroon ng sort of like grand revelation or unfolding ng mga kaganapan in the next series of events yan. Ngayon, at position 2, nandiyan si Green Tara, Virgo, no? Earth element to. May pagka-earthly element kasi green na, and green pa yung background niya, no? And daming flowers, and nature. Supreme protection. Ito yung nasa current things or situation or people na, yung energy mo na kailangan mong ipagpatuloy. You are protected. There's an assurance here, okay? So, tuloy-tuloy lang, I think you have ways, no, to feel protected, no. I feel strongly it's spiritual protection to. Whatever it is na ginagawa mo, no, for you na maramdaman mo na you are guided and protected and loved ng mga guides mo or ng Panginoon, no. Whatever your belief system is, no, nandiyan yung assurance. Cords are being cut, move beyond limitation and trust, okay? So, like I said, no, sinabi dito, do what you feel is right kasi may lesson na kailangan dumating sa'yo. So, I felt yung lesson na yan something to do with some relationships or endings, okay? It has to happen, like I said, kasi nandiyan si divine order. Pero whatever the ending is, so it be parang open-ended or tapos na talaga or parang done and dusted or kung magsisimula ulit ng bagong cycle, whatever it is, kailangan magtapos, whether it will bring a permanent ending or not. No, ang sinabi dito, it has to end. Okay? Yung mga situation na yan, kailangan mo na magtapos. Kaya itong mga connection na to, kailangan mo nang tapusin. Kailangan maputol. Okay? Para, and sa ikabubuti mo, para sa ikabubuti mo, yan sinasabi, supreme protection, hindi mo man nararamdaman or makikita ito as of now, yung benefit ng mga endings na to for your own good din, yung sinasabi sa'yo. Move beyond limitation and trust. So, you trust na yung mga cords na naputol, no, cords being cut ties sa mga friendship, connections, or even mga endings sa buhay mo like change of job, loss of job, loss of a loved one, whatever it is, no, you need to trust na may reason. Bakit? Kasi maybe parang nililimit ka or kino-compartmentalize mo yung sarili mo doon lamang, which is hindi ka lang para doon. Yun ang sinasabi dito. And you are protected, whatever it is na kailangang matapos. Okay? For your own good. For your own good yun, kaya nangyari. And doon sa manifestation mo, lumabas naman si Lady Venus, no? Venusian energy, Libra, is ruled by planet Venus. Just to tell you, maybe you have an air or Libra energy or meron kang Venus sa natal chart mo. Downloads and understanding. Okay, ang understanding comes from ating logical mind, no? Mga bagay na perception mo, na unawaan mo lately sa buhay, life lesson. Okay, and download is something na ethereal, no? It's like yung pangalan natin, ethereal destiny, no? Something divine, something na spiritual to na na-reveal sa'yo ng universe or ng Panginoon. Okay, these are two different things. Ito, higher knowledge, no? So, truth is being revealed. So, napansin mo to, an important lesson is unfolding. Okay? Sabi niya, truth is being revealed. Lady Portia to, hindi ko alam kung saan planet to connected, no? or she's a European god or deity ba? You can search. And then si Green Tara, supreme protection, no? So, coming from this, truth is being revealed daw, okay? And then, you need to trust, okay? And there's an important lesson. So, yung lesson na yun comes with truth, okay? Sinabi dito, deep insights are coming from heaven. So, you cannot make this up. Yung downloads, may mga realization or parang divine intervention na sa mga manifestations mo, okay? And, yung mga manifestation mo, you have to make sure na, there's truth on what you want to manifest, no? Kung ito talagang gusto kong i-manifest, why not? Okay? Hindi mo siya mina-manifest dahil lang, make sure na may basis, no? Or is really what you want, okay? You have to be specific and honest, no? Doon sa mga manifestations mo. Okay? Kasi I think may manggagaling yung push na yon sa mga realization ng mga things na gusto mong i-manifest coming sa downloads daw and yung current understanding mo sa buhay and the astral realm, specifically sa divine. Okay? So, yung mga manifestations mo is not just something practical, but I think it's more like spiritually guided, no? Or spiritually triggered ka to do it, to want it, to desire it. Okay? I hope it makes sense. Whatever it is, let's say, you want to manifest abundance, okay, in all areas of your life, okay? But paano mo na feel or nalaman na ito yung gusto mo? Okay, maybe may trigger dito na nanggagaling sa spiritual realm, okay? Yun yung sinasabi dito. You want abundance and it's more like you're trying to connect sa yung mga guides pagdating sa manifestation mo, okay? I felt strongly na dapat focus ka rin on, hindi lang to minamanifest mo dahil sa pangsariling interest, okay? It's something na for your highest good, hindi lang dahil sa, wala akong trabaho kaya kailangan ko ng pera, no, it's not long term, it's something more than that, na parang, it's what makes you happy, it's supposed to make you better, parang ganon, okay? Remember, yung ganon dapat sa manifestations mo, walang selfish interest or energy dapat dyan. Now, sa light activation, yung current energy surrounding you, light activation, no? So may download and understanding, and then may light activation. So, yung external energy mo, sabihin natin na may mga triggers ka in a good way na enlightened ka, okay? Or you are supported, okay? Shine your light. So, parang, it will help you to maaring mapaganda yung aura mo, tumaas yung vibration mo, okay? Mapabuti ka. It's becoming, better of yourself. Yun yung mga current energies na maaring mag-push sa'yo to be a better person, okay? Okay, I mean, spiritually also, spiritually matured, no? And knowledgeable. Ang sabi dito, shine your light, your internal guidance, your intuition, yan, it's coming through loud and clear. So, yung external surroundings mo, yung mga advices and realizations lately, manggagaling yun sa mga, sabihin na natin mga tao or connections or situations na, alam mo yung more attuned sila spiritually, no, sa universe and sa ating mga belief system na marami kang matututunan sa kanila. Let's say, coaching, no, marami sa YouTube, no, you're into metaphysical, maraming mga magtuturo sa'yo how to cleanse your aura, how to vibrate higher, how to stay in alignment sa mga manifestation mo. Yan yung light activation. You're learning more about things na it's not really yung mga practical mundane things lang. So, yun yung external energy mo. I felt like it's healthy, no? And then at position 5, yung kailangan mo ibigay sa sarili mo at sa ibang tao is si Archangel Michael, trusting heaven. So, 2 times binanggit yung trust dito, yung supreme protection, no? So, yung kailangan mo ipagpatuloy is you need to accept yung mga endings na yun for your betterment and you are protected and guided. So, lumabas na ni si Archangel Michael, nandiyan ang trusting heaven. So, magtiwala tayo sa langit kung tayo Christian or Catholic, most likely Tagalog to, so most likely you're Catholic, no? But regardless, you can connect to Archangel Michael dahil ang sabi niya na naman, so nandiyan si Green Tara, no? Feeling ko sa Hindu belief system siya, no? Mukha lang siyang Indian deity. Supreme protection, and then yung trusting heaven. Tapos sinabi niya, you are protected. And then sinabi rin ni Archangel Michael, you are safe. Okay, yung kailangan maibigay sa sarili mo. Magtiwala ka sa langit, magtiwala ka sa yung kay Archangel Michael, connect with him, magtiwala ka rin sa Panginoon natin, sa angels natin, no? Kasi hindi lang siya. May mga angels na malapit sa'yo, okay, supporting you, maybe also your guides, okay? Angels stand close, surrender your concerns and allow a miracle to occur. So, it's about, you do the work and at the same time you pray as well, you do your parang spiritual work. So it's about time na ang kailangang process na lang na dapat mong gawin is parang magtiwala tayo na nasa atin na yon, na ibibigay sa atin yun or darating yun. Yung parang nag-place tayo ng order online sa Lazada or Shopee, and then magtitiwala ka na ang universe, ang mga angels, ang belief system, si God, ibibigay niya sa'yo yun. It will be delivered to you. Okay? Yun lang. Let go. You do all the work, the inner work as well, then let go. Let go because you did everything na. All you need to do is trust. Okay? Trusting heaven. Alright? Now at position 6 Virgo, nandyan si Lord Shiva, no? Sa India na naman. So makikita mo parang may mga mix of gods and goddesses ka. So, transcendence. Okay? Rise up. Ito yung new beginnings mo. So, may changes. Obviously, talagang maraming changes sa'yo for a betterment. Sa mga new beginnings mo, rise up daw. Honor your inner force. So, yung willpower mo, yun ang kailangan mong gamitin. Kaya pag sinabi lang, you have the power to manifest. You have the power to create your reality. Yun yung inner force na dapat na meron ka. And you need to, parang, i-honor mo yon na you're a powerful creator as well, no? Ng universe. Whatever you contribute good out there, you're contributing sa soul expansion ng universe. Okay? It will change you. You can transform your life. Yun ang sinasabi dito. Steps are being given. So, sa mga new beginnings mo, may tulong na darating, may guides na darating, may mga aid and help na darating para sa'yo. Sa mga changes at pagbabago, during dun sa transition, sa mga new beginnings mo, no? From old to new situations, people, transition, movement, to. I-guide ka dyan, pa step by step sa mga bagong simula mo, no? And you will never feel alone. Dance with the universe, okay? So, it's so clear, no? Ang new beginnings mo, it will be parang hindi magiging mahirap pa sa'yo. Kasi, if you do all your work and trust, no, it will come naturally to you. Magpo-flow naturally yung mga changes na gusto mo. Okay? Yung mga bagong simula na gusto mo. Okay? Now, at the center, higher learning. So, medyo may pagka spiritual yung reading mo. Melchizedek, higher learning, no? So, para siyang hermit, no? So, you've gained wisdom, nag-soul searching ka, madami kang perspective na na-realize lately. Hindi to yung mga learning na mundane lang sa trabaho or sa real reality mo right now, no? Sa earth, no? It's more like you learn so much, mga self-help, no? How to make yourself or grow your soul, no? To feed your soul, no? Mga higher wisdom to. You have learned from experience. So, that is practical experience. Okay? Ngayon, sabi naman, more inner study is now required to further progress. Higher learning. Okay. So, ang maganda dito, marami tayong natutunan kasi sinabi, an important lesson is unfolding. Maaring natutunan mo na or is on your way. So, feeling ko yung an important lesson is unfolding is yung higher learning na yan. So, may learning and realization and parang perspective ka naman talagang nag-gain sa certain areas ng buhay mo ngayon. Whatever it is na you're dealing with right now, no? Love life or family situation man yan, career. So, it's a work in progress right now. I felt like parang ongoing to, but sinabi dito is about time daw na you need to dive deep pa to probe harder on those lessons, okay? Kasi hindi pa siya tapos. Okay, you're on the journey. Okay, na-realize ko tong mistake na to, for example. Na-realize ko tong changes na to. Na-realize ko tong ending na to. I have accepted, I've moved on. Pero hindi pa daw enough yung work na yun. There are things kasi na we thought na you have accepted, we have moved on, pero kailangan pa ng mas inner work doon, okay? Ng focus, ng intention, and ng attention, okay? Hindi lang basta-basta lang natapos. Parang, there are things na you need to tie loose ends, you need to wrap up, o hindi pa enough. May kailangan ka pa daw matutunan doon sa mga yon, okay? So, kailangan pa ng konting push, no? Further progress, no? Pagdating sa yung mga realizations lately, okay? So, sana nag-resonate, Virgo, tong general life reading mo. Current energy check-in to as of April 20. And it may resonate onto the next 3 to 6 months. So, kung hindi kayo mag-resonate dito, it only means na yung reading is not for you. I will tap into your energy next time, Collective Virgo. So, yep. See you guys on your next month reading. Take care. God bless. Mahal ko kayo, Virgo. Bye!